Assalamualaikum. For this video, we will talk about Al-Adab Muwakkah. Okay, Al-Adab Muwakkah is a fifth of leading Islamic legal maxim. Okay, so it affirms that significant position of custom in Islamic law as an authorized for Sharia ruling. Okay, Adab came from to return or to come back. Okay, so Al-Adab we can relate to uruf because they have a same meaning, which is uruf is to know or to recognize. So in general, Adab means the repetitions of some things, and finally it's became common among the people. Okay, so for uruf we can refer to something that has already known by the people. Okay, so in technically the term of Adab and uruf we can define as those that resulting practice, which is all acceptance to the people. Okay.
Assalamu alaikum. Origin of maxim. This the maxim has origin from the Quran and Sunnah. Al-Hadith Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radiyallahu anhu ما أراه المسلمون حسنا فهو عند الله الحسنة. The meaning of Hadith was the Muslim determined to be good is good with Allah. However, the such the practice is acceptable by Allah, so and regarding as source of law Islam. Therefore, also a finished from Al-Quran indicated authority of custom. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم خذ العفو وأمر بالعرف وأعرض عن الجاهلين. The meaning of ayah: the key to forgiveness, enjoin over and turn away from the ignorance. Condition of maxim. In order from the urf constituted the valid basis from legal decision is the most constitutive practice of group of people, and the practice of individual is not orphan, but is the personal habit. The orphan is the most acceptable and feasible.
The classification of the Al-Adab Uruf Qawli consists of the general agreement of the people on the usage and meaning of word for purpose other than their literal meaning. Word Salah literally meaning al-du'a or request. However, it has been used in the Quran to describe the obligatory prayers of Muslim, and this second usage eventually become predominant. And Uruf Amali consists of commonly recurrent practice of the people in daily life, like trading, which is selling or buying transaction without akad, or only one of the person is doing the akad. Uruf is the common custom which is prevalent everywhere among all people regardless of time. The contract of istisna, which is a necessity and is commonly practiced everywhere. Uruf scarf mean particular uruf which is prevalent in particular locality, professional or trade. For the example, the word become the most understood between them, such as the sukuk, BBA, and other used in the area of Islamic finance and banking. Uruf Sahih mean valid uruf which does not contradict to the Sharia or deny the interests of people, and at the same time it does not bring the corruption. Engagement ceremony like the giving of extra gift during the ceremony like new clothes and others, and it is not include the mas kawin. Huruf fasik mean invalid uruf, which is against the principle of Sharia, or it deny the interest of people, or bring its corruption. Practice of usury or riba in the transaction, although it's common among many people, it is against Sharia. Therefore, such transactions are invalid and must be avoided.
I will explain about the branches that related to the maxim, which is Al-Hada Muhakkamah. There are 3 branches that related to this maxim, which is first, a matter recognized by custom is like a contractual stipulation, which means the contract will be regulated by custom, where customary rule will be presumed to apply. For example, when someone rents a car, he should use it according to what its customary rule would be presumed to apply. Second, carry on the common practice used in the custom. This contract is like normal rule which do not permit taking the properties of other. Okay, for the last one is the uses of people is a proof that must be followed. The proof like legal text. This is because to avoid conflict arising between them. Is the concern is of the concern to this maxim. So legal text of proof it is important.
The application of Al-Ada Muhakkamah in Islamic banking of Malaysia can be seen clearly through the decision of Sharia Advisory Council (SAC) concluded that the concept of Bai al-Urbun is permissible and can be developed as an instrument in the Malaysian Islamic capital market. Besides that, some of the practices in Islamic banking and finance are restricted as it is against the principle of Sharia, or it is denies the interest of people, or it brings wealth accumulation. These type of customary practices are uruf fasid or invalid uruf. For an example, the practice of usuri or interest in loan repayments. Although it is considered as a common practice among many people, it is against Sharia. Therefore, such transactions are invalid and must be avoided. In conclusion, Al-Ada Muhakkamah or customary judgment plays an important role in the growth of Islamic law. Even though it is not recognized theoretically as a major source of law, but sometimes it binds the society and could be applied in order to settle certain disputes.